The following message is transmitted at the request of the Outagamie County Sheriff's Office. An active shooter has been reported at the Fox River Mall. At the request of the Outagamie County Sheriff's Office, community members near the mall area are asked to shelter in place for the time being. The Sheriff's Office says an incident was reported at 3:34 p.m. this afternoon. To shelter in place, please lock your doors, close all windows and lock them, close all curtains in your house and shut off any lights in your house, but most importantly, stay calm and do not let anyone in the house. More information will be provided as if it becomes available.